2014 KZ Durango D336RE for sale in Fort Worth, Texas, 76123. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2014 KZ Durango D336RE. This luxury fifth wheel is 34.75 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as 4-point auto-leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its light clean condition. This KZ Durango D336RE fifth-wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make the spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, 4-burner stove, oven, microwave, fridge, freezer combo, Icemaker kitchen sink, dinette with chair seating, television, surround sound, DVD-CD stereo, satellite dish, ready cable ready sofa, sleeper, 2 recliners, glass enclosed shower, washer dryer, hookups, master, aftermarket king-size bed, 19 LCD television, second, 13,500 British thermal units, air conditioner, storage, dresser, closet, basement storage, furnace, heat pump, luxury package, frameless windows, partial paint package, Sandlewood edition, 12V LED lighting package, crown molding, ceiling fan, new tires, and much more. This 2014 KZ Durango D336RE is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2014 KZ Durango D336RE fifth wheel can be yours.